gonna be a P2P with you. So if you have any concern or any topic you wanna talk about, we can we can go with it. All right. So today the indicator I use, the POC, the one from the Dan, just released the GP Golden Pocket indicator with automatic Golden Pocket. So it's easier for us to look at Golden Pocket in the chart, as you can see here. I painted them in this light blue, in line with the theme of Earn Elite. As we can see here, if I go with the Golden Pocket, look at the algo perfectly in line with the Golden Pocket we used. Okay, so the market, it's trying to recover what we lost in 2 days after the good rally we had last week, sorry. We had a good, from here, from Monday, this good rally, lost the 50% of the pump, almost the 50% of this pump. In the weekend, during the weekend from Friday to Sunday, now we had a good Monday open. Okay, so now we didn't play this. This was in line if in any case we had a good divergence here, but has been invalidated on this great candle. Okay, so sorry, I mean here we had this peak here and we were waiting for a div over here, but then we ranged here till this breakout that pumped to these POCs up here. Okay, so now the thing is that the first Golden Pocket has been invalidated. So as now here we have the new Golden Pocket here, and the only POCs we have here is this one here around 84k, at this level 84.3k, 4k, that it's in line with the line of this important level we talked about last streams. Okay, so now the thing is that the only possibility we have for a short, it's up here, because now the thing is that we just retested this level, we mark it up very well with this great Monday open. Okay, so the thing is that we can continue to pump. Can we long now? Yes, for sure we could. We can make, now they have a new icon with the L. We can have like something like this. Try to get at least this high. Would be a 4-hour trade. We need a 20% pump now. Could be a really slow, long, like a swing for like 1 week, but it could, obviously. The perfect one was a retest here. But I'm still not too fine, to be honest. I had tough days for the intestinal virus, I don't know, it's called in English. I took, but this one was great, and I would have already put the stop loss break even on this retest. So now we have a good momentum for Bitcoin. Ethereum reacted perfectly in the short zone and market up. You can see a great deviation here, and we are losing the level. So now I would really love to see again Ethereum above here. I want a strong impulsive candle with a closure above this box to target at least this high here, and then if possible this high here, and would be obviously a great swing for a 40% move. Okay, the thing is that now we need to for the first real time take a direction into this great range we're trading now. Then we have Solana. It's so weak at the moment. We are still, I don't need a box to show you, but you can clearly see the situation we have now on Solana. Solana needed to take a direction at the moment, and until it's under this red dotted line, I'm not interested in trading Sol at the moment. XRP, same thing. Good retest of the box we mark it up. again, you need to recover at least this level. Last week we set this green line and has been perfectly touched at this level. It's not magic, it's only historical price analysis, like from here it was, and you need to break out this level and target this resistance here. If we go on on the last alerts here, the thing is that something is pumping, something is not pumping. So now we still need to have a clear direction, because if I go in the USDT dominance here, it's going down so much, but you can clearly see that the Bitcoin dominance is pumping so much. So the thing is that I would like to see Bitcoin dominance dropping while USDT dominance dropping. In that case, we can see a good pump all over the alts. Till we have Bitcoin dominance going down, the situation will be like this, with Ethereum and alts struggling in find a clear direction. Okay, is it clear? Let me know if it's clear or not. Perfect. Okay. Sorry, let me check. I have a message. Where is that? Okay. So let's go back here. So yeah, USDT dominance dropping, while Bitcoin dominance dropping. Till we have this situation here with Bitcoin dominance pumping, I'm not interested in alts. Okay. Where can we see, as you can see, good retest here? The thing is that actually the Bitcoin dominance is breaking above this important level. If it break up here, Bitcoin will be a great opportunity for a long continuation. You can catch like a 2-hour trade or 3-hour trade, okay? But the thing is that we can then try a long on alts when Bitcoin dominance goes around this level here. At this point here, we can try a long on some alts. You can clearly see that, like, not the last month, I'm not trading that much, because yeah, we had a good pump, but you can clearly see the ramp we are having on Bitcoin. It's still news driven, all this pump. So now we are on a very important level here to see where the market want to go. So even here, if the Bitcoin dominance drops here, could be good, yes, but at the same time, if Bitcoin dominance then drop, and then the USDT dominance confirm that this on higher time frame has been only a deviation on the level, then we can have for sure a great continuation here. And that would mean only a big crash around the markets. Okay, that's why I'm a bit cautious at the moment in trading. Not because I'm not active, because I always check the charts, but at the moment I'm not confident in trading. I'm not confident because we don't have a clear direction at the moment. We still need some time to decide what the market wants. When we have a confirmation of this drop here, like this one, and then we can continue to the downside, for sure we can go long whenever you want. But here we have this situation that could be only a deviation. We can recover these levels here. I'm not confident in trading. Okay, then for sure we can try to get like some shorts. With the USDT pumping from here, then yeah, we can go with some shorts. That would be like in line with if Ethereum, okay, let's imagine that USDT do something like this, okay, trying to get down here. If we go on a reversal like this, let me, oh shit, wait, if we we have something like this. Okay, never mind, it's good. You can clearly see that we could have 1, 2. We can have still a bit of drop because we inverted the chart, right? A drop of the USDT dominance that would be our right shoulder of our hidden S, and on Ethereum would be perfectly in line. Let me revert it like this. Would be perfectly in line with this situation like this. Let me delete this. With this situation, pumped here while the USDT dominance drop a bit, and then boom, and we can retest this level. If we have this situation, then we can go for sure with a short on Ethereum. Why can't insert an alert? Fuck off. Add an alert. Add an alert. Let me reload the page. Maybe we have a problem with alert. Oh, there we go. Was a bug. Some alerts here, so we can keep under control Ethereum. Okay, so this would be the main one with like an entry like here, then we can get like a 2-3 hour trade, something like this, maybe even like this, 5-hour trade. Okay, so this is the main scenario we could have at the moment. Otherwise, if the USDT dominance drop as fuck, for sure we can have the breakout we were talking about, and then a continuation to the upside. All clear? Clear. Perfect. Then, do you have any kind of chart you want to talk about, you want to look at, you want to analyze from blank? Meanwhile, you type there, like this one on LDO, it's aligning for a short, sorry, for a long, I mean, because now we can have our aggressive scalps from here to here. We have our golden pocket. The peak, it's here, and it could we could have something like this. So this could be interesting actually, because we have the 30, the 15. Yeah, so let's set this one here. Wait, let me align it perfectly here, like here and here. So this is one we could have. Let's set some alerts and let's see if we have a sweep of the level, and we can play with these two POCs here. LDO, then we have Eng. I don't like it. ZEC, I don't like it. Wait, my bad. Is this a bearish retest of a level? Let me check. I'm not a fan of ZEC, to be honest. No, seems like this was the deviation. Now it's like trying to pump him back, actually, because you can clearly see that we have this trend here that if it breaks above it, can like fly for 7% move, 20% move, my bad. Pippin, don't touch it. Pole, I see. It's pumping and it's getting to a good golden pocket. From here to here. No, it isn't. Oh, okay, it's from here. We have the golden pocket there. Actually, this could align with, again, let me set some alerts. This could be interesting for a short, if given. Here. Okay, let me see if you typed something. No, so I don't think you have any chart. Let's go on Pengu. Again, interesting here. We have golden pocket, 1 hour, golden pocket. And setting some alerts with you, so then we can try. Last stream we had good setup from the stream. Now we need to wait a bit. Last time we were aligned with some good longs, like the one we took with Ton, Useless, and Doge. I think Ton it was on my own after the stream, but we longed it and we took some profits. Paul, the one we were talking about, SNX, better above here. DIY, DX, not this one. I don't like this one. Not this one, not ready. Still not ready. Still not ready, QNT. Coty. Coty, let me see the funding. The thing is that Coty can really scamp up, but actually could be a great short opportunity. Not the best one, but yeah, it's setting up. We have the 30, we have the 15, we have a 5, we have the 1. This could be interesting if you want to play it. With the divergence on the gold pocket. Let me set it better so you can clearly see with the fib. We are playing with this golden pocket. This could be interesting, yeah. This could be it. Then what we have, we were in Coty, LA, Tuscany. We could catch Ton up here. Look at the perfect trade we had. We took profit around here, I think. Then pump it back, pump it up, then back. Look at how much it lost. Manta. Oh, forgot Cielo. Cielo, it's better above here. Here, here. Not interested. And we are going far back in the afternoon. Okay, fam, again, any chart you want to look at? Otherwise, this is the plan. We can have a better stream on Wednesday, maybe with more people. But if you have any chart, we can look at. But the plan is clear. Okay, so it was more like a quick update, like 20 minutes. Thank you so much for you two, fam, to be here with me. Let me see. Thanks to you, Tom, so kind. We'll catch you later with these alerts we set. Let's see if we have something to trade with, but now it's a bit boring, as you can see. All right? Thank you, fam. Have a good night.